Here's an update on some SpaceX developments.
That was epic.
It's been a weird week.
Okay, so in August, there was a launch of an Indonesian communication satellite. This was a significant launch, although not different than others that you've seen, but mainly that this booster had been launched before about 71 days earlier. And it is a type of booster called a Falcon 9 Block 5 that will carry astronauts to the International Space Station, hopefully starting next year. Another significant thing is NASA has approved SpaceX's somewhat controversial plan to fuel the rocket after the astronauts are on board with the super chilled liquid oxygen. This was an issue because of something that happened a couple years ago when a rocket was being tested with a payload on board. The first time the super cold liquid oxygen was tried. However, SpaceX has tracked down the problem with this, totally redesigned the tanks and stuff, and agreed to fly this rocket 7 times before people will ride on it to, if it has flawless flights, then it should be cleared for what's called a human-rated rocket. And so far, 3 of these flights have taken place. So they're getting close to that. I want to mention, just so I don't forget it, that the next flight should be Sunday evening about 8:36 our time. So if you watch, you may see another Telstar communication satellite launch.